David from Riselaser. Now the 80%, even the 90% laser welder suppliers are using the sub-series laser welding heads.
In addition to blindly lowering the price to stand out from the market, there is also a great way to use the high-end and special welding head that only Riselaser provides. This welding head designed by us has a screen that can adjust all parameters. You can see the working status of the welding head, adjust the parameter of the laser source and the welding torch setting. As a high-end welding head, it was also a double swing head at the time. You can switch between different welding patterns to achieve different welding outfit. At the time, it also had a free function of the cutting, welding, and the cleaning, which can be realized by simply replacing the accessory on the welding head.